Good afternoon. In this video, I want to give another clarification or update. I should update on that PO I made on the video that was taken down. And according to YouTube, see, I PO'd incorrectly first time, so I had to go back and redo it. That's why it's taking so long. He says, they say here, thank you for your counter notification. It has been forwarded to the party that sent the takedown notification. Keep in mind, by submitting this counter notification, you've initiated a formal legal dispute process. As such, YouTube will handle this process in accordance with the law. This process takes some time, so we kindly ask for your patience. Upon forwarding your counter notification to the claimant, we will allow them 10 to 14 business days from this date to respond with evidence that they have taken court action against you to prevent the reinstatement of the video in question. If we receive no response after that time period, your videos will be restored and the associated penalties of your account will be resolved. You will receive updates in this email thread about your counter notification status. You can also check its status within your video manager. So, unless Brian has taken some type of court action, that video should be restored and within the next couple weeks. So we'll see how that goes. But I just want to keep you updated on it and to show the the fact that how unscrupulous Brian Dengler is, and his desire and his efforts in order to shut down opposition. Well, he complains about other people trying to shut his videos down with copyright violations. He had no qualms of trying to shut down my video and Max's. It didn't work the second time. It didn't work the second time. First time it did. It got taken down, and so I made a counter notification, and now that's where we are right now, waiting now to see if he's filed any formal lawsuit on the issue. So we'll see how that goes, and within a couple weeks we should know. And if it doesn't, we'll get that video back up. Amen. Thank you.